how much did my online business make in 2022? I will share the exact numbers in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, social media marketing for business, and more. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Now in this video, I've decided to share my entire earnings for 2022. I share my YouTube ads earnings and my YouTube analytics videos that you can watch right here. In today's video, I've decided to share everything. What I made from affiliate marketing, what I made from digital product sales, from social media services, working with clients, and much more. Why did I choose to share these details online? Well, because this is how I got started. I got motivated from seeing other people and what they made online. I want to motivate you too and show you that it is possible if you work for it. So I surely hope that this video motivates you to keep going, keep adding new revenue streams to your business, and keep working for those goals. I will share month by month what I've made, and then I will share the entire yearly earnings. If you want to see solely YouTube earnings, what I made last year from only YouTube and in other years, make sure to watch these videos here. So let's get started. And now I have multiple income streams, of course. I will break them down so you can see what I made from each. From affiliate marketing, I made around $190. From services, clients for social media, I made $3,350. From digital product sales, I made $24. And from Google AdSense, so my YouTube earnings, I made $472. But this is of course for the month prior, so I get paid in January for December of last year, if that makes sense. So in total, in January, I made $4,036. In February, I made $63 from affiliate marketing, $4,665 from services, $66 from digital products, and from Google AdSense I made $740, which totals to $5,534 for February. In March, I made only $26 from affiliate marketing, $2,900 for services. I sold $150 worth of digital products, and I got paid $812 for AdSense, which totals to $3,853 for March. In April, I didn't make anything from affiliate marketing. I made $3,590 from services, $81 from digital products, and $914 from AdSense. And I made a total of $4,585 in April. In May, I made $36 from affiliate marketing, $20,780 from services. I didn't make any digital product sales, and I made $1,005 from AdSense, which totals to $3,821 in May. In June, I made $47 from affiliate marketing, $250 from services, $22 from digital products, $924 from AdSense, and I made a total of $1,221 in June. In July, I made $583 from affiliate marketing, $950 from services, $11 from digital products, and $949 from AdSense. So I made $2,493 in July. Then in August, I made $82 from affiliate marketing, $500 from services, $72 from digital products, and $981 from AdSense, which totals to $1,635 in August. Then in September, I got $12 from affiliate marketing, $500 from services, $25 from digital products, and $950 for AdSense. So I made $1,487 in September total. Then in October, I got $119 from affiliate marketing. I didn't get any services or any clients. I made $25 for digital products and $971 from AdSense, which meant $1,115 in October total. Then in November, I made $237 from affiliate marketing, $500 from services, $0 from digital products, and I made $1,239 from AdSense, which totals to $1,976 in November total. And then the last month of the year, in December, I made $0 from affiliate marketing, $0 from services, $0 digital products, and I made $1,240 from AdSense, which is also the total for the month. So if you're curious about the numbers around the year and how much I made from each, I will share them right now. From YouTube AdSense, I made $11,197. For digital products, I made $441. Affiliate marketing got me $1,395 total, and from clients and services, I got $19,985. And from brand collaborations, I got 0 for 2022, but that is not the case for 2023, so stay tuned to find out the income reports for this year as well. So there you go, these were my monthly earnings for each income stream that I have right now for 2022. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out kind of understand how much money you can make online and how much you can scale your business to get more income streams and more revenue, then make sure to give this video a like and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more such videos weekly. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at lydia.incomingsuccess, where I share a bunch more insights in my business and how it works. So you won't want to miss that and the tutorials that I share on there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.